Hello, good morning, dear students. Now, in today's maths class, we will continue in the maths textbook. In the last classes, I have also sent you the notebook work to be done. That is the circle the smallest number and the biggest number, and before, after, and between number. This much I had sent in the PDF to be done in the notebook. Then in the textbook we have completed this much, the comparing numbers, smaller number and bigger number. Today we'll continue with the next page. Today we'll do this page, that is smallest to biggest. Now see this, smallest to biggest. These balls have been arranged from the smallest to biggest. See the size of the ball. This is a small ball. This ball is a big than this ball. Then this ball is a bigger than this ball. And this ball is biggest. So this is smallest to biggest. Likewise in the numbers we have to see 25, then 26 is a bigger number than 25. Then 27 is also a bigger number than 26. And 28 is the biggest number. So, you have to see this. These numbers have been arranged from the smallest to biggest. 25, 26, 27 and 28. Then this is the opposite, biggest to smallest. Now here see, small ball is first and the biggest ball is at the last. Here we have to go from biggest to smallest. जो सबसे बड़ा बॉल है वो पहले आएगा, because this is biggest to smallest, and the smallest ball will come at the last. So these balls have been arranged starting from the biggest going to the smallest. Now see the number. The numbers have been arranged 38, 37, 36 and 35. 38 is the biggest number of all these numbers, so it is first. See, the biggest ball is first, then a less big number, the bigger number, then 38 but 37, but it is smaller than 38, then 36 is smaller than 37, then last 35 is smaller than 36. Now see this page. Here what we have to do, see, one example is also given. Arrange these numbers in order. One has done for you. Numbers are given. These numbers are jumbled. They are not in order. See, they are not in order. They are given in a jumbled form. Then here it is. In this column, we have to write smallest to biggest. See the numbers 19, 18, 17 and 20. Which is the smallest number of these? 17. So 17 is written first. After that, which number? 18. So 18 is written over here. We have to go from small to big. Then after 18, which number? 19. So 19 we will write then. Which is the biggest number over here? 20. So that we will write at last. So this is smallest to biggest. Now this is just the opposite, the ulta of this. ये इसका उल्टा है. Smallest to biggest में हम smallest number पहले लिखेंगे, फिर biggest number में जाएंगे. यहाँ पे पहले हम biggest number लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे जो bigger ball है सबसे पहले वो आएगा, तो biggest number पहले and then फिर last में smallest number. So here what we will do, which is the biggest number over here? See, 20. So we will write 20. Then 20 से छोटा number फिर कौन सा है? 19. So we will write 19 over here. Then which number? 18. So we will write 18, and at last which is the smallest number out of these? 17. So then we will write what we will do, from smallest to biggest, we will go like this: 17, 18, 19 and then 20. And biggest to smallest is the opposite of this. Iska ulta hai. In this, we have to first write the biggest number. So it will be 20, 19, 18 and 17. So students, try to solve these 4 questions you try to solve. In this box you write from smallest to biggest. In this box you write biggest to smallest. You try to solve this, and then I will also send the PDF of the answers that I have solved. Okay. So now we will continue in the next class.